Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your blurry screen recording. So here we have our screen recorder. It's called Tap Record. So you can do this with any screen recorder as long as it has settings. So first, if you want to record the screen, you will have to select the part of the screen that you want to record. And then next here, if you want to alter the size, you can do so. If you want to fix size for YouTube, you can set it right here and set the y-axis and x-axis right here. And then next, the most important one is recording it in its footage right here, which is 4K, 2K, or 180p, or 720p. So I would recommend always going with 180p, 30 FPS. But if you need that screen recording of a game that's really high quality, I would recommend going with 4K and at least 60 FPS, or at least 2K. So you can record there and you can even show your pointer. You can even have your webcam facing at you while you're screen recording, and you can do your speaker and your mic right here. So once you press record, you can get the most out of your own screen recording, and that's how you fix blurry screen recordings. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.